It appears the rain is finally starting to let up. I mean, we kind of need it to be dry for this video, so I've been waiting for this, but the time has finally come in. As you guys already know by the title and the thumbnail, we are going to be switching back over to the MHD Stage 2 E30 map today, or just in this video basically, and I am so excited, man. So I finally got the car pretty low on gas. There's like less than 50 miles till empty, so on the way to the gas station, we'll pretty much run through the rest of the gas that we need to. I'm pretty sure the last time that I tried to go on the E30 tune, I had too much 93 in the tank to start off with, basically, before I even started mixing the gas, so that definitely didn't help anything. But also, for those of you guys who don't know, I got the MHD B58 Super license. Right now, the car is on Stage 2 93 octane. As already said, today we're going back to the Stage 2 E30 tune, and about a month ago, I went on the E30 Stage 2 tune for the first time, and long story short, the car kept going into limp mode. I didn't mix the gas properly. I didn't have a fuel testing kit to see the exact percentage of the E85, so it was pretty much just all guessing games. And to top it all off, I only put 3 gallons of E85 in this car and put the rest 93, when you're supposed to put at least 4 gallons of E85 in this car. So now, about a month later, I'm pretty sure we got everything figured out. We got ourselves a little fuel testing kit in, and now it's just time to get the gas tested, mix it up, and then go rip it pretty much, man. And also, real quick, I wanted to mention the size of the gas tank on this car. So whenever I went on E30 the last time, I thought the size of the tank was like 11 or 12 gallons, but no. Thanks to one of you guys who told me in the comments like a week or so ago, maybe a little bit less, I found out the size of the gas tank on, I mean, obviously a quick Google search could have probably provided me with the correct answer, but I don't know what I was looking at before when I saw 11 or 12 gallons. But yeah, thanks to one of you guys, I found out the gas tank is 13.7 gallons, so that just kind of helps with everything. Real quick now, let's check out this ethanol testing kit. I got it from Fuel It. I'll leave it linked down in the description below if you guys want to pick one of these up for yourself. I'm pretty sure I got like the complete kit or something like that. So here is everything that comes in the kit. You get yourself the ethanol testing vial. You get some sort of cloth right here. You get some gloves, and then you get some like syringe type thingies right here. They're not actually like real syringes. They're just like the, I don't know, just little things like this. And I'm assuming that's for putting water or ethanol in the tube right here. Also, you got this little booklet that came with the instructions and everything. Should be super simple to do. Pretty much you just fill water to the line, fill fuel to the line, shake it, and yeah, read what it says, and it's that simple. It cost about $20. Dude, this right here is going to make just everything with E so much easier. If you have a car that you plan on putting on E, any sort of E, any mixture of E, not even just E85, or even if it's just E85, I would highly recommend getting yourself an ethanol testing kit just to make sure. So yeah, all that's really left to do now is go to the gas station, test out the E content, and then mix accordingly. And also, you can't forget to do some sends while we're on the way. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna do a little send right here. I'm just gonna show you guys the speedo for this one. And once we get over this bump, foot to the floor, it rips. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing, but this time you're just gonna be looking at this screen. So send it. It shifted right before I floored it, and I had to shift back down. It felt weird, but it's still probably, yeah. It look good on there? I hope, hopefully. All right, so we are basically completely out of gas right now. 14 miles till empty. We're about to pull into the gas station. I don't know if I'm actually going to test the E content right now. Somebody in the local Facebook group tested it like a day or two ago, and it was E90, so I'm assuming as long as the gas has not been drained and refilled since then, it's got to be the same stuff. So yeah, we're just going to throw in, I don't know, 3.8, probably 3.8 gallons, 3.9 gallons of E85, and then the rest 93. All right, so we just pulled into the gas station. The first thing we're gonna do here is reflash the car on the E30 map. So we hooked up to the MHD Wi-Fi. We're gonna go to the MHD app now. Close that, flash the MHD map, Stage 2, E30. Let's see here. And then map right. Alright, and just like that, it's just about done. 80%, 90, 100. It's pretty fast, man. Coding success, clearing the codes now. It makes a bunch of codes pop up. bunch of random things. Oh yeah, there we go, success, wait 30 seconds. So yeah, now we just pretty much gotta wait 30 seconds, pump in our E, and we're good to go. All right, so we're gonna start off with the 93 right here. Okay, so we need to do about 9.8 gallons of 93 here. Let's get this going. Yeah, we'll do about 9.5 gallons of 93. So, E85, and now we need about 3.9 gallons of E. Let's get this going. Well, let's try to get it going. It's not letting me. Dude, there's no way it's out of E.
No, you gotta enter.
Oh. Confirm flex fuel vehicle. I've never seen that before. Please begin fueling. Huh. That's new. Well, I've never seen it. Well, it just made me finish pumping at 3.4. So, should I just cancel it there? 3.4, 5, basically. Should I keep trying to go a little bit? 3.6. That's probably good right there, yeah. Okay, so hopefully this is a much better mixture right here. There's really only one way to find out, so yeah, let's go send it now. All right, moment of truth. Make sure everything starts up. Good to go, and of course it does the cold start, but I don't know. I should honestly turn that off. Next time that I go into the tuning settings, I gotta do that, man. All right, everybody, so real fast before we get to the sends, it is the next day, and I just wanted to say something real quick. So pretty much I just wanted to clear everything up from putting the E in yesterday. So basically, from my knowledge right now, the car has 13.7 gallon tank, and to make this mix about E30, if your E85 is actually at 85% ethanol and your 93 is at about 10% ethanol, in total that's like E95 right there. If you put 3.6 to 4 gallons of E mixed in with the rest 93, that should get you the right E30 mix. But like I said, it really just depends on the ethanol content of the E85 itself and the 93. So I would highly recommend getting yourself a testing kit, testing out the ethanol content in the 93, testing out the ethanol content in the E85, and then mix accordingly from there. But now with that being said, let's go hit the road. All right, everybody, we are in a familiar spot in Mexico, and once again we are going to do a full send, and you guys are gonna be looking at the dash. We're gonna get to right here and send it. That time, that was a bad pull, I'm not gonna lie. It's we're gonna have to get a third one in here, but you guys got to see it nonetheless. All right, so I'm actually over in the passenger seat right now, which is kind of weird, probably looking on video, but we're gonna bust out a little send right here, and this time we're going to look at the performance display. So yeah, just check this out. Oh my goodness. Probably showed up on there, but if it didn't and I was looking at the top, that's because I was fighting to try to make it look at it. Oh man, I don't know if it did. I just heard it whipping. All right, we're gonna do another one right here. I'm gonna try to show you guys the this speed up. Oh my god. That just made my back have the worst cramp, bro. I just twisted like pretzel right there. Oh my god. All right, everybody, we're heading back home. We're coming up the driveway right now. Found ourselves a nice shady spot, but as you guys saw, man, this thing absolutely rips now. Like, it's really hard to show you guys how fast this thing actually is, obviously, without being in the car. Like, I know I showed you the screen and the speedo and everything, and you probably got a good idea of how quick it, how fast it is, quick it is, whatever you want to call it, by how fast the numbers go up and everything, and what it said it was putting down on the performance display right there. But like, nothing does it justice like being in the car, man. Like, it's a whole nother experience. And on E, man, now that I have it mixed properly, fingers crossed, well, okay, so not fingers crossed, I'm pretty confident I got it mixed this time. Me and my buddy were out ripping on the car for like an hour or two. It did not go into limp mode at all. It would have gone into limp mode last time by now. So yeah, all is good. It seems like if your E content is actually at E85 and if the 93 has about 5% ethanol in it, that 3.6 to 4.0 gallons of E85 and then the rest 93 ought to do you right for the E30 tune, that is. Yeah, so now that we've experienced E30 properly, I think we got to go up to E50 at some point. I don't know exactly how I want to do it, if I want to do a custom tune through MHD or if I want to do a mic body tune maybe through Ecotech at some point. You guys let me know down in the comments below. I'm really leaning towards the mic body tune at some point, but for now I want to enjoy the car how it is. But you know, it's got to get faster. It's got to, man. If you guys want to pick any of the equipment up to tune the car for yourself, I'm going to leave it all linked down in the description below. But yeah, that's really going to wrap it up for this one, everybody. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you guys like this video, do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next one.